What up, YouTubers? Today I'm going to work ready for the coronavirus. And even though me personally, I think all viruses are man-made and man-distribute, you gotta take the necessary precautions. We already have 2 deaths in the US, so coronavirus, I'm ready. But that's that. Let's just talk about the real business at hand. Today we're gonna take regular, boring old stuffed shells and we're gonna make them into something fantastic. So stay tuned for the video. If you like stuffed shells and you like seafood, you will like this video. And don't forget, hit my thumbs up button, drop me a comment, and let me know what you think about this video. I'm gonna take regular stuffed shells. They come frozen or you can buy them fresh in your local grocery stores. I'm gonna take tomato puree, so just fresh tomatoes, puree them up. I'm not gonna use marinara sauce because I don't wanna have my flavors all over the place. So we're gonna take tomato puree or stuffed shells and we're gonna lay the tomato puree in our pan. We're gonna lay our stuffed shells in our pan. We're gonna open them up and then we're gonna stuff them with lobster, shrimp, and crab. So after we finish stuffing our stuffed shell with the seafood, what we're gonna do is, well, first of all, I should tell you to, when you make this type of dish, you don't want to cook your seafood ahead of time because your sauce and the cheese is gonna cook the seafood for you. So you don't necessarily, if you like moist, nice, juicy seafood, you don't have to cook them ahead of time. So we've put our crab meat or lobster and our shrimp inside. We hit it with a little fresh basil. We chop them up. We hit it with some Cajun spice for flavor. You can use some Old Bay if you want. Old Bay is kind of strong, so I don't like to use Old Bay, though it gives a nice flavor. So you hit it with some Cajun spice, hit it with more tomato puree, and then I just don't use regular mozzarella. I use fresh mozzarella. So after you put your mozzarella cheese on the top, what you want to do is put it in the oven, bake it. So you see how the cheese have those brown colors and you can see the sauce popping out of the cheese, so that's what you want. So you bake it, usually like 10-12 minutes should be ready. Could take more based on your oven. And this is what you get. You get fantastic stuffed shells, 5-star restaurant meal right in your own kitchen. Dabble of the fresh parsley on there and it's just beautiful. Thanks for watching. Check out my chicken feet video and let me know if you've ever tried chicken feet.